how to replace upgrade memory on desktop. Alright, first we have to open it. It's like a little black hole here. Push it out. Okay, it's open. Right, that is memory slots over here. You can see two memories. It's got four slots. What you have to do, you just have to white clips on each side of memory, push it down, take memory out. It's very easy. In same way second one, and to put it back you just make sure it's the right size memory. Put it back in the slot and push that memory down, all the way down. Alright, it's a little bit hard. Alright, it's locked. Okay, and second you'll do same way, very easy and fast. You replace it or upgrade memory on desktop. Thank you and good luck.